A lot of adults, the vaccine left them with a sore arm, a headache, maybe even a slight fever in some cases. What do we know about the side effects for children who are getting the shot or who are going to get the shot?
So, Craig, the children's vaccine is 1/3 the dose of the adult vaccine. And what we're seeing is that the side effects are typically minimal or mild, much less than the adults. Kids can expect a sore arm, fevers, fatigue, low appetite, and these last about 1 to 2 days. They are mild and resolve on their own.
There are, you mentioned the size of the dosage. Help folks understand how a 5-year-old would get the same size dose as an 11-year-old.
So when we are deciding pediatric dosing, a lot of it is weight-based. In the case of the COVID vaccine, we also think about immunological response. So different age groups, it's not perfect, but we think that the ages 5 to 11, the reason that they need 1/3 of the dose is because that is what gives us an adequate immunological response. We know that with the COVID vaccine, it's 91% protective against getting infected with COVID for this age group and 95% effective at preventing symptoms of COVID. COVID in this particular age group is still the 6th leading cause of death. So vaccination is critical for this group.
What would you say to parents who are watching or listening on Sirius XM satellite radio who might still be skeptical despite that unanimous decision?
Craig, I am a physician. I am also a parent. There are so many physicians and parents within that FDA regulatory committee and CDC panel. It was a unanimous decision. This was very heavily discussed. Safety data was reviewed, and it is a safe vaccine. It is effective, and it is important to vaccinate our children. It is the way out of this pandemic.
Dr. Nerurkar, we'll have to leave it there. Thank you, as always, for your time. Thank you so much for your analysis.